You're fixing an iPhone 7 or newer, you know that every time you replace this flex ribbon, it's giving you hell. It either doesn't work, or if you do get it to get out of this place where they've got it completely glued in, it ends up breaking. Well, guess what? You're gonna be so happy you landed on this video. Watch this, what I've just figured out. You take a razor blade, okay? Instead of trying to separate where these little prongs are here and just remove the cable, watch this. You're gonna take your razor blade and go beneath that. You're actually going all the way to the glass, and you are prying up this plastic bezel. This ribbon is actually sitting on the bezel. You're gonna now replace this in like 5 minutes. Watch this. Here, so I can't record this and show you guys while I'm doing it, but you take the razor blade and you're prying underneath the plastic bezel right there. You're actually pulling this plastic up, and once you get that plastic up with that razor blade, it's really easy. You just put a little bit of pressure and slide underneath that piece of plastic, and you're just totally gonna rip this whole thing out. Once you got it out, then you can work it. I'm gonna pull it out and just rip it out, but I can't record at the same time. I've broken this off. You see what's going on. The flex ribbon is stuck to this. Now you can actually take a brand new razor blade and slide in between there to get this off. The most important thing, if you guys don't know that why you're when you replace the cable and move it to a new one, is it is this section. I'm gonna pinpoint it for you guys right here with that screwdriver. This section, you must slide that brand new razor blade underneath the plastic to remove what's under here, this little square, because once you rip that little piece of tape on the back of this side, it is no longer going to function and your speaker won't work. And it's right here where that little Apple logo is. Just slide your razor blade, and the reason I specify brand new razor blade is because if you got a dull one, you can mess it up, and it's going to cost you about 15 bucks to replace this section. I took a razor blade and pried it under there. I can't tell you how easy this was. Just make sure you use a new one, and now that's good to go. So that's how to remove a flex ribbon. And I'm trying to point out to you guys, this is the area. I think a lot of the newer iPhone 7s, they're making a better ribbon, but if you get your hands on an older one, if you got it when it first came out, this area always messes up when it comes out. They've stuck a lot of glue there, but it looks like they haven't done that on the newer ones. So just giving you guys a heads up, but this is a newer one, but I'm showing you guys how to remove it pretty easily. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if it helped you out.